Governor Whitmer announcing an historic initiative to invest in child care and early education in Michigan. It's part of her plan to help get parents who had to leave jobs or who haven't been able to find jobs get back into the workforce. Our Grant Herms fills us in on a key part of this plan to reopen Michigan. Grant.
Every parent over the course of the pandemic knows finding a place to take care of your kids is no easy job. The governor's initiative today making a big step towards getting parents back to work. And it definitely isn't child's play. Surrounded by play sets and playgrounds, Governor Whitmer outlining a sweeping $1.4 billion investment in childcare across the state of Michigan.
Every family in Michigan deserves to have access to safe, affordable, quality childcare that meets their needs, regardless of how old their children are, regardless of what part of Michigan they live in, how much money they make, their race, their ethnicity, or their immigration status.
The plan would expand access to daycare to families by giving new subsidies to current and new child care centers, making child care more affordable by expanding low-cost or no-cost child care to families making up to $53,000 a year, and spending money to help pay daycare workers more. According to the Detroit Regional Chamber, nearly 1 in 10 workers say they can't come back to work because childcare costs are too expensive or inaccessible. Numbers from March show the cost of daycare for just one child can cost roughly 20% of the median family's salary and more than half of a family making minimum wage. Childcare costs have also hit working moms the most. The governor saying today more than 136,000 women have left the workforce statewide, and a major factor for their return is finding a place for their kids. Danielle Atkinson is the head of the group Mothering Justice and a mother to 6 kids herself.
We understand what it's like to not be able to make ends meet. We know that an investment in childcare is an investment in a family, in a community, and as our state as a whole.
Now, this money would have to go through lawmakers in Lansing, and negotiations over what to do with billions of federal dollars have been fraught, to say the least. But today, the House Appropriations Committee chair saying that he saw a lot of common ground in what the governor was saying today in her announcement, and he struck a rare optimistic tone that there may be some compromise. Back to you.
All right, Grant Herms reporting live for us tonight. Grant, thanks.